Now, making money online is not that hard, just that many of us have access to the wrong information, right? Now, in this video, I want to share with you two platforms I've literally used to make money online by completing simple tasks, answering simple surveys. And these platforms are very easy to use, and you can make at least 2K to 5K every single day if you are really serious about this platform. I have made a lot of money from this very platform. That's the reason I'm sharing this with you, right? This is not a clickbait video. I'm not trying to just introduce a platform to you, right? This platform will easily help you to make money. If you are someone who is looking for side also, you can start making money online. You are a student, you are a stay-at-home mom, you are looking for something you can start doing on the side that will be fetching you some little income for your daily needs, right? This can be a starter pack for you, right? This can make you some few bucks, it can make you some few thousands, and it can pay some daily bills for you, right? With this said, I'll take you to my screen, sharing this platform to you and how you can go about them and how you can easily make money from there. But before then, if you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Norma Evans, and in this very community, I share videos like this on how you can make money online, tech videos, how you can succeed on YouTube, how you can grow on the internet. If this sounds interesting to you, please, you are welcome to the family. Subscribe and turn all bell notification and smash that like button if you are getting value from this video. Now, with this said, I'll take you to my screen right now as I share this amazing platform with you. So let's go. By the end of this video, I'll be showing you a new platform I've been using recently to make a lot of money online. And now this platform has made me a lot of money in recent times, and I'm going to be sharing this with you as a bonus platform. So do well to make sure you stick around to the end of this video so that you can take advantage of this very last platform. So stick around and watch to the very end. Guys, now the first platform I'm going to be sharing with you is called SideGig. Now, SideGig is a popular platform that's been on ground for a very long time. Now, this platform will pay you to do simple tasks and do simple jobs. Now, let me tell you something right now. Now, this is their activities for 2022, which is last year. Out of last year, they have already paid over 100 million to their freelancers. Now, freelancers are those people who perform simple tasks like liking posts, liking social media posts, sharing posts, subscribing to YouTube channels, and doing these simple social media works you do every single day. Now, this platform paid over 100 million to their micro freelancers. Now, these people are people like you and me who are just liking posts, Facebook posts, and Instagram posts, sharing posts, commenting. This is what they are doing, and they was able to pay over 100 million naira to them, right? To tell you that this platform is the best pick when it comes to doing simple jobs online and making good money online. Now, if you are interested in doing simple jobs online, like these simple things you do online and making money online, this is the best platform for you. Now, they have initiated over 185 plus campaigns and with over 6,000 businesses. Right now, 6,000 businesses have brought jobs to them, and they initiated over 185 campaigns with these businesses. Now, you can either sign up as a business owner, as you can see right here, or you can sign up as a freelancer. Now, if you sign up as a business owner, you are bringing your business to this platform for visibility. That means you want to bring your business for engagement. Maybe you want to increase the engagement of your business, you want to increase your followers, you want to increase your subscribers, you want to just engage with your business. You can come to this very place and you can advertise your business with them, and you can run business with them, and they are going to get your business out there, and their freelancers are going to engage and do the needful. As you can see, more followers, more profit. Create simple tasks for SideGig freelancers to promote your brands and achieve your goals. All right, just come here, create new tasks. That means you are going to create an account with them. All right, so this is the business side of the platform, but where we are here is the freelancer side of the platform. I'm going to walk us through on how we can do this. But if you are here for freelancing, you are here to do your freelancing jobs, what you are going to do right now is to click on this freelancing right here. As you can see, if you are here for business, you click for business. If you are here for freelancing, you click on for freelancing. So we are going to click on freelancer right now to access this very place. So once you click on freelancer, you are going to be landing in this very place right here. As you can see, extra cool cash in extra. All right, it's a make money from completing simple online tasks. All right, you can register right now. If you have an account already, you are going to click on sign in. But if you click on register, they are going to ask for your details. So this is just how the platform works and how you can set up an account with them. Register as a freelancer, set up your account, select and complete a task. It's just a 3-step way. All right, once you sign up an account with them, you set up your account by adding your social media links and all of that. Then you start performing tasks and you can start making money right now after watching this video. So once I click on sign in right now, I'm already in. Right, my total earnings right now is around 6 naira right now. I just only complete 2 tasks. Right, I just did 2 tasks and I was able to make 6 naira. Now, if you can spend 1 hour in this platform, you can be able to do at least 50 tasks or 100 tasks, because there are hundreds of tasks waiting for you on this platform to do. Now imagine me doing just 2 tasks and I was able to earn 6 naira. Imagine you do over 10 tasks or 100 tasks, you can make at least 1000 naira every single day from this platform. Now comparing the 3 platforms I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, we are going to be making a good amount of money at the end of the day. Now we're going to be moving down to the second platform. But before we move down to the second platform, if you are finding value in this video, make sure you give this video a like. So let's move down to the next platform right now. So the next platform here is called Freebiz. Now Freebiz is another amazing platform you can make money just doing simple tasks. As you can see right here, see work online and earn daily in dollars and naira. Now Freebiz does not just support Nigerians, it supports other Africa countries, even outside Africa, right? Now if you scroll down right here, as you can see, welcome to Freebiz. Freebiz was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Use Freebiz to answer surveys, play games, and install applications to make money online daily. On Freebiz, you can hire online workers to increase your business visibility and organic growth through engagement on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, and Twitter. Alright, our online workers will engage your post real time to drive massive sales to you when you tell your friends about Freebiz. All right, we will reward you with 500 naira for each friends and instant bonus of 5000 naira when you reach 50 verified referral limits. Right, guys, this is another amazing ways to make money online. Now this second platform right here called Freebiz is very swift and straightforward, though you need a little capital to get started with this, but the little capital is just nothing compared to what you'll be getting in this very platform. Now this is how it works. Sign up an account, earn a cash out, and hire workers. Simple as ABC. Now they have over 14,500 jobs available right now, and they have over 41,000 users, and they have completed over 34,000 jobs right on this very platform. Now these are the previous payouts of this platform. As you can see, 4,750, 435 naira, 595 naira, 950, and these are cash withdrawals from people using this platform. Telling you this platform is very real and is very straightforward. Now these are the frequently asked questions about the platform. You can just go ahead and go through it so that you can have access and know more about the platform for yourself. Now if you have an account already, you click on login, but if you don't have an account, you click on register to register a free account with them. To register with them is just simple and straightforward. Register and you are going to pay a little commission or a little fee to be able to access all the features on the platform. I'm going to be linking all the link to this website in the description of this video. You can have access to all of them in the description of this video. Guys, if you can compare these 3 platforms together, you can be making good amount of money for yourself real time. Just come over and click on login if you have an account. Right, I'm going to log in right now to my account. So once you click on login, you are going to be landing in this very dashboard. As you can see, I have over 1000 naira as my wallet balance, and I have 0 completed jobs, and I've earned over 1000 naira. Right, as you can see, complete jobs and get paid. Now if you scroll down right now, you're going to have access to all their jobs. Now this is a job of 200 naira. Just post a video and you are getting 200 naira. This is 25 naira. Register on your website. Right, scroll down so you can see 20 naira. Share and comment on a post, 12 naira. And these are numerous jobs, and there are over hundreds of these jobs right now available on this platform for you to start doing and start making money. Now to register on this platform is just 1000 naira. I believe it's 1000 naira right now, still 1000 naira. Click on the second link in the description to have access to this platform and register with them, and you can start making money from them. Right now, with that 1000 naira, you can make it back in that very single day, and you can make more of it in that very single day. Now imagine doing a job of 200 naira. You just need 5 of these jobs right now to make 1000 naira from this platform, and you can have it in your bank account. And the best part is that they pay you directly into your local bank account. But if you are from other countries like Ghana, Cameroon, you can withdraw your money in dollars into your account. So click on the second link to have access to this platform. Now we are going to be moving down to the next platform, which is the last platform in this very video. Now this last platform I'm going to be introduced to you is a platform I discovered recently, and I've used to make a lot of money online. Right now, as you can see, my wallet balance right here is 2600, and my total withdrawal is 11,400, and my last withdrawal was 3,600 naira from this platform. Now this is a platform that pays you every day to do simple social media tasks online. Now this platform right here is not different from the previous 2 platforms I just introduced to you. They are all the same. You have nothing to do, like it's just you doing simple social media tasks online, and getting paid by doing so. Right now, this platform is a new platform that was discovered recently, and this platform is very simple to navigate and it's very simple to make money online. Now all you have to do is very simple. What you have to do first is to just click on the third link in the description of this video to register an account with them, and you activate your account with 1,000 naira. Then once you have done that, what you have to do is to go ahead and put in your social media link in this very platform. Right, click on social media right there, so you can see right here, come over to this very place right here and click on add social media right here. Then you add your social media account, whichever social media you're going to use, add it right there and it's going to be activated. Now once you are done with that, you can come over to your payment history. As you can see right here, these are platforms and tasks you can do on this platform and you can make money from. These are different tasks right now. These are different tasks, over 200 plus tasks you can do. Now the amount you can make on this platform is varies with the time you can spend on this very platform. Now if you come over to your balance, your wallet payment history right now, what you are going to do right there is to input your payment details. Right, as you can see right now, this is my wallet balance. First thing you have to do first is to add your bank account. If you click on add bank account right here, you are going to add your bank account. Let me just remove this ad right here. You add your bank account. Once you select your bank account, you add it. Your bank account is going to be activated right there. Then you can come to withdraw to bank to withdraw your money into your bank account. Very simple. So what I'm going to do right now is to withdraw the amount I have in my wallet into my bank account. So I'm going to insert it right there. I click on withdraw. All right, put in my password and it's going to load up. As you can see, please wait. Let's wait. So as you can see right now, the amount is already withdrawn into my bank account. Now coming over to my OP right here, as you can see, the amount is already sitting in my bank account right now. Right, in the next few seconds, the amount is already there in my bank account. Now this is a platform that can make you money anytime, any day. Click on the third link right there to register on this platform. Now the three platforms I shared with you in this very video are vital and they can make a lot of money if you combine them together. So start exploring and start making money in the internet. Love you all and see you in my next video. Bye for now. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I believe you got value from this video. Now this platform is amazing and they can make you a lot of money. Now what you need at first is to activate your account, right, which costs at least 1,000 naira as of the time of filming this video. Right, this is a one-time subscription that activates your account and give you access to all the benefits this platform offers. Right, if you have any question, you have any concern, you have any challenges, you can drop everything in the comment section. I'll be there to reply to you. The links to register on this platform will be left down in the description of this video. Click it and start making money for yourself. If you want to explore more ways you can make money online, I have a playlist right here. Click here to access that video. I'll see you right in my next video. Bye for now.